The cat is dead. Did you know that cat just died? Let me explain. So everybody's kind of used to this. Everybody, I have this kind of ready for us. So let's start with something we do actually do know, which is let's go for not this one. Let's go to etc services. Everybody's kind of used to using cats to do this stuff, right? I mean, everybody does it. Everybody knows what this does. It's been here forever and ever, and it deserves a break. That's why cat is dead. So what should you use? Well, we should use not the cat, but bat. So that's why cat is dead. So you just do etc services and look at that. So pretty. You see the file name. You see the line numbers, and also, which I have not done here, you can also install some extras to get some colors. How cool is that? So you can do cat, and that's that, and then you can of course use everything that cat can do, everything that cat can do for us, which is great. But the cat is dead. Use bat instead. So BAT or bat, it's a more comfortable way to use cat. You have colors. When installed the extras, you have colors, the file name, the line number. You can search directly, and you have all the cool stuff that everybody deserves to have when using their text tools. So cat is dead. Use bat instead. So of course this is just a joke. You can use cat whatever the times you want. But if you want something a little bit fancier and something that can add some flair to your life and to your analysis, troubleshooting stuff, and all of that things, just use bat. That's why bat is dead. Bat just died. Well, not bat just died. Cat just died. I cannot even keep up with my own humor. I'm just like that. So what do you think? Will you get used to using bat instead of cat? Are you going to build an alias? Are you going to kind of make an alias? Oh, I can show you. Are you going to replace it? Let's for example do something like alias cat equals bat. Let's see what happens now. So if I cat, now I'm using bat. Of course, and I'm going to make a video all about aliases. You can just force the use of I'm not going to spoil the surprise. Even though we have an alias, you can force to use cat instead of bat, even though the alias is in place. But what do you think? Are you going to use bat instead of cat? Are you going to build an alias so you can just get yourself forced to use bat? Let me know.